Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed, honest and easy to follow review of AlignBooks, one of the fast growing cloud-based accounting and ERP platforms built for SMEs and MSMEs. I'll walk you through an extended overview, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion on why it may be one of the best options in 2025. AlignBooks isn't your typical simple bookkeeping tool. It's a full-scale cloud accounting and ERP platform that's created for small and medium-sized businesses that need more than basic invoicing. AlignBooks positions itself as an all-in-one business system that covers accounting, billing, inventory, payroll, purchases, CRM, POS and retail, job work, production, HR, asset management, and even multi-branch operations. So instead of having one tool for accounting, another for inventory, another for payroll, and yet another for reporting, AlignBooks tries to merge all into one unified system. On the website, you find that the platform is designed to be incredibly flexible. If you're a single retail shop, a distributor with multiple warehouses, a manufacturing company handling raw materials and finished goods, or a service business managing customers and staff, there's a place for everyone. Another standout point is that AlignBooks supports hybrid deployment. That means you can use it fully in the cloud, or you can install an offline desktop version that syncs to the cloud when internet becomes available. This is a big deal for areas where connectivity isn't always stable. In short, this software is more than an accounting platform. It's a business operations system that can help you run sales, purchases, inventories, branches, people, compliance and finances from one place. So if you're scaling or if your operations are becoming more complex, AlignBooks is meant to support that growth. Now let us talk about the main features of AlignBooks. Sales and billing with invoicing. You can create professional invoices and recurring billing. You can automate payment reminders, track customer balances and manage credit limits. It supports POS for retail and walk-in customers, and it's integrated with taxation modules for compliance where applicable. Purchase and inventory management. You can purchase orders, vendor management, GRNs, and purchase returns. There are strong inventory controls, stock levels, batch numbers, expiry dates, serial numbers, IMEI tracking, barcode support. Multi-warehouse support for distributors and businesses with multiple branches. Pricing lists, margins, reorder levels, and stock valuation methods. How about the accounting and financial management option? You have access to full general ledger, accounts are receivable, payable, there are journal entries, and financial statements. There's bank reconciliation, cash flow tracking, budgeting, and forecasting. And also there are real-time dashboards and MIS reporting for decision making. Compliance and taxation. There are automated tax calculations. There's e-invoicing and e-waybill generation where applicable. And there are role-based authorization and secure audit trials. How about HR, payroll, and asset management? There's payroll processing, attendance, leaves, salary structures, and statutory deductions. There's also asset management including acquisition, maintenance, and automated depreciation. There's employee master data and multi-level approval workflows. Next is the production and job work. There are bills of materials BOM, raw material planning, job work in and out, production costing, wastage tracking, and material consumption analysis as well. And it's perfect for small manufacturers and contract-based productions. There's also hybrid deployment and mobile access. You can use it fully in the cloud or offline through the desktop app. And you can sync when online, which is perfect for locations with unstable internet. There's also a mobile app for on-the-go access to billing, reports, and customers, as well as approvals. Now let us talk about the pricing. The thing is, AlignBooks does not publish fixed prices openly on their website. As you can see, I'm on the pricing page. It only asks you to compare plans, review the basic plan, the premium plan, the ultima plan, and the enterprise plan. You can see what is enabled and what is not. Then after doing this, you can sign up, create an account, and contact them for a customized quote. Now, what are the pros and cons of using AlignBooks? First, the pros is extremely feature rich. Hybrid cloud plus offline mode. It's affordable for SMEs and MSMEs. Very strong inventory controls, built-in compliance tools, and it's scalable as well. How about the cons? The pricing isn't publicly transparent. There's a learning curve for beginners, and some users might report performance issues like occasional slowness or login challenges. And the support quality may vary depending on the plan and region. It might be too advanced for very small businesses that only need simple invoicing. So having considered all this, is AlignBooks the best accounting and ERP platform in 2025? Well, for the right type of business, absolutely yes. Because AlignBooks stands out because it doesn't just solve bookkeeping. It solves operations. It solves inventory headaches. It also solves multi-branch complexities, compliance, payroll, and production. And it does all this while remaining accessible to SMEs that don't have the budget for large ERP systems like SAP or Oracle. But still, it's not for everyone. Very small businesses who only need invoices and simple bookkeeping might find AlignBooks overwhelming. And that's it on the review of AlignBooks. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Zoho Books, QuickBooks Online, and Odoo. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.